The era of super sensitivity. Are you satisfied with just soothing your skin? Cica Plus Repair Cream. Skin sensitive to the outer environment. Rough and drab skin without moisture. Reddened skin due to flushing and skin trouble. Did you know all of these skin problems result from damage to the skin barrier? We give rest to sensitive skin by using a healthy skin formula containing naturally derived ingredients. With effects including skin barrier regeneration, nutrient supply, skin soothing, wrinkle improvement, and skin whitening. Cica Plus Repair Cream proposes a concentrated care solution for repeated skin damage. Skin with an unhealthy barrier intensifies sensitivity and produces dead skin cells, causing pimples and aggravating acne. With ingredients with remarkable healing effects, this product fills and alleviates furrowed spots resulting from wounds in the skin due to the exterior environment or dermatological treatment. The truth is, Cica Plus Repair Cream has a brilliant effect for alleviating acne and furrowed spots. Begin Cica Plus now for your precious skin.